Okay, an update on Maria. Still a strong Category 3. That's a major hurricane. One thing to note on the satellite imagery here, this is during about the noon midday hour. Not very impressive looking. In fact, the eye kind of is cloud covered. However, it's still very strong, and it's such a powerful storm that it's going to take a while for it to weaken, and it will do so ever so slowly. So this is still a powerful storm, but it is moving off to the north. I think the worst of Maria is behind it after just devastating a lot of these islands through Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic and making its way through Turks and Caicos earlier this morning. One thing to note is it does have a sheared environment, so that will help slow its weakening or help its weakening in the coming days. Then it's going to get into cooler waters, and that's going to increase its weakening. Take a look, Category 3 major hurricane through about Saturday night. Then it enters that cooler water north and east of the Bahamas, and then it will eventually get to Category 2 and then Category 1 by early next week, but we're still in hurricane status for the next 5 days. The cone has moved a little bit off to the west and has expanded by day 5. So yes, we're still paying attention. Direct landfall, not likely. However, a little bit more of a westerly jog. We are going to see more showers, maybe a windier day, so we'll keep a close eye on Maria over the weekend and into next week, especially for areas north of the Outer Banks, including the Outer Banks. Here's the updated computer models. You see that one kind of getting a little bit closer to the east coast. There's the rogue model there bringing it back into the Outer Banks, but the general trend, pretty good agreement here, all things considered, moving off to the north and east. And we are not going to be worried about Jose. It continues to peter on out. We'll have another update this afternoon.